Okay, students, now we read the services provided by the ISDN. Basically, there are three services provided by the ISDN. Either they are the bearer services, or they may be the tele services, or TELE services, or it may be supplementary services. In bearer services, what we do is, basically it's the main thing. Why do we transfer the information like voice, data, and video? But the important thing is, you transmit this information of voice, data, and video without network manipulation. You are not changing so much, like you're not encrypting, you're not doing anything like that. For example, you want to talk on a telephone. Now you call it, even if somebody taps in your phone, he can listen everything, because you are not providing like encryptions and all like that. So they are called bearer services, wherein you pass in without manipulation of your data by the network. And then there are, these are basically done by the first three layers of OSI, like physical layer, and then data link layer, and maybe the network layer as well. So this can be done by simply circuit switching. Like you have I said, telephone call, you do circuit switching, or sometimes you may do packet switching, or frame switching, or sometimes cell switching. You have mobile phones and all that. So if you have read about mobile phones, we divide all areas into small cells. So we have to go to the cell switching as well. But the important thing is you send things without the network manipulation. Then the tele services are are those services where network may change or process the content of data. So tele services are basically those services in which network can change or process the contents of data. Okay. Basically, now if you want to process the data by the network, that means you need layer 3 above. That's layer 4 to 7 OSI model. Like you can put error corrections, error correction detection, parities, encryptions, and a lot more things. Now, if you have a teleservices, what will come into teleservices? Here I said voice, data, and all, but here in teleservices we have like telephony is obviously there, but telebox, telefax, video fax, and teleconferencing. Now you may have teleconferencing, you may have video fax, whatever you send, but it will not be the exact data what you send, but it will be the manipulated data. That's important. Now in supplementary services, what we basically have is then we have the additional functionalities to the bearer and to the tele services. So supplementary services actually are add-ons to the bearer services and to the tele services. Like if you have like telephony, and you will go for the reverse charging, call waiting maybe. Now you have telephony, but it's call waiting, means that somebody's calling. It's not like you got the busy tone, but that's it. But you can switch on to that guy, but there is a service which is called a supplementary service that is called a call waiting, or message handling, or there will be a lot of things like that, which is done by the supplementary services. Okay. Now this is about the services of ISDN. Now the third thing comes about is the architecture of the ISDN.